everyone, I'm Queen Shahi and welcome to my channel. Not long ago, Near launched its staking program which not only helped to earn passive income in Near rewards but also helps to take part in Near ecosystem. The Near wallet now has a staking user interface built directly into the web app. So let's not waste any time and get straight to a quick tutorial on how you can set up your wallet and delegate your tokens. To start with the process, open your Near wallet. If you don't have the link, you can check in the description below. Now click on Create Account and enter an account ID. Remember, your account ID will be your wallet address to receive the funds. Now press Create Account. Now as you can see, there are 4 options given to protect your account. Choose either Recovery Phrase or Ledger Nano as they are the most secure and recommended. As you can see, I am using Recovery Phrase option. Now press Setup Recovery Phrase. As you can see, you are given a recovery phrase. You can copy the phrase and keep it safe. Then click on Continue. To complete the setup process, you have to enter a word as mentioned. Then press on Verify and Complete tab. Now this is the final step to complete your wallet setup process. You have to fund your account by sending at least 1.1 Near to the funding address. Copy the funding address. Once you have successfully funded your account, now it is ready to claim. Check your account ID and press Claim Account. Congratulations, your Near wallet is all set up. You are inside your Near wallet. To add funds to your wallet, click Receive and copy the address. You can also do that by scanning the QR code. Once you have added the fund, you can see the transactions in activity and check your balance. Now it is time to start with the staking process. Click on Staking from the navigation bar. You can see your available funds and your total amount staked. Your total staked amount is 0 at the moment. Click on Stake My Tokens. Now you can select a validator you want to stake your tokens to. Check the percentage of fees they charge from your rewards. Confirm your choice and select Stake with Validator. Now enter the amount of Near you would like to stake and click Submit Stake. Now you can check the details and click Confirm. Congratulations, your stake has been successfully delegated to your chosen validator. So guys, this was a quick tutorial on how to set up and delegate your tokens on Near wallet. Hope you enjoyed and liked it. Stay active and logical. We'll see you in the next one.